Hello and welcome to our flowery channel. Today we will be introducing you to Larkspur and Delphiniums. Now they're a favourite amongst florists and flower arrangers for the tall, graceful spikes and vibrant colours that they provide. So whether you're a professional florist, a flower arranger or a designer, this video will give you all the tips and inspiration you need to make the most of this stunning flower. Now, if you haven't joined us before, let me first introduce myself. My name is Debbie and I've been a florist for 48 years and with Triangle Nursery for 15 years. Now, our channel is full of florist hacks, care tips, how-to tutorials and inspiration for events and weddings. So let's get started. Now, Delphinium and Larkspur are a versatile garden flower that add height and elegance to any floral arrangement. Now, these annuals or short-lived perennials are known for their spikes of delicate spurred blooms in a range of beautiful colours. Now, they're said to symbolise love, affection and an open heart, making them a perfect choice for many occasions. Their versatility make them both a fantastic addition to various arrangements from wedding work, farewell tributes to statement corporate compositions. So in bouquets, the height and vertical lines add a dynamic element and they pair beautifully with roses, lilies and snapdragons. In particular, they are really great in large-scale installations like floral arches, hanging arrangements, entry decorations, and their tall, graceful spires create a dramatic impact in any space. Now, before I dive into the care and conditioning tips for this flower variety, make sure you hit the subscribe button to stay notified about our upcoming video tutorials. And if you enjoy this video, make sure you hit the like button and share with your friends and family. Now, to get the best out of these wholesale flowers, it's essential to provide them with proper care. So, when you receive your flowers, start by unpacking them, take them out of the boxes, remove all of the wrapping and do that immediately on delivery. I'd remove any of the foliage that's going to be below the waterline. So that's these pieces here. And then you can actually save those and use those within the rest of the decorations that you're creating. So for example, if you were using the Larkspur and the Delphinium in pedestal work, you could retain the smaller offshoots to use in perhaps bud vases or jam jar arrangements. So don't throw anything away. You've paid for the whole stem, so you may as well use it. Now, the reason why we remove any of the foliage that's going to be below the water level is to prevent bacterial growth. And then you cut the stem at a sharp 45-degree angle, exposing a bigger surface area than you would if you cut it straight across. That therefore means that there are more cells exposed on that surface area than there are on that one. So it can readily take up more water, keep the stem turgid and develop more quickly. And then you literally place that into a vase of water. I'll trim that side shoot off as well. And do the same with the side shoots, but potentially in a slightly smaller vase. Now it's exactly the same process with the Delphinium. Remove any of the foliage that's going to be below the waterline, and once again cut at a nice sharp angle and into the vase. I would provide flower food for the stems if you can. That just helps to maintain the nutrient value of the water and just keeps them nice and fresh and extends their shelf life. Keep them in a cool area as well. That will extend their shelf life, and make sure that they're kept away from direct sunlight, drafts and ripening fruits. Ripening fruits can add ethylene gas into the environment, which will actually shorten the vase life of these flowers because they're very, very susceptible to ethylene gas. Now, every 2 to 3 days, ideally, change the water, retrim the stems exactly the same way that I've just done, and give them fresh water with flower food. That will help to maintain their freshness, and it also keep them nice and healthy. Now, with its versatility and beauty, both Larkspur and Delphiniums can enhance any floral arrangement. But by understanding how to care and creatively use these flowers, you can ensure that they look their best for any occasion. Thank you so much for watching our video on the Triangle Nursery Flower channel. Now, if you've enjoyed this video, please give us a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and ask any questions in the comments section. Subscribe to our channel for more floral tips, hacks and inspiration for many future projects. Bye for now.